Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can import music into Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Microsoft Clipchamp and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find the home section, brand kit, templates, and right here, you're gonna find all of your folders. Here in the center of your screen, you're gonna find the option to create a new video. And here, you're gonna find create a video with AI. So right now, I'm gonna click on create a new video. Then once you click on create a new video, you're gonna be right here. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your video. So right now, firstly, in order to add your music, go ahead and click on import media here in the top left. And then once you click on import media, go ahead and choose the music or the song you want to add. So I'm gonna click on this one, double click on it. And as you can see guys, now it's added. If you want to add it to the timeline, you can either click on the plus icon right here, or you can just drag it directly right here. So once you add your audio to the timeline, you're going to be able to adjust it and edit it. Just go ahead and click on it to select it. And then here in the right side of your screen, you're going to find the option to adjust the volume. You can add also the fade in effects or the fade out. Here you can adjust the speed of the audio. You can also trim it if you want from here. You can split the audio by clicking on this icon right here or clicking on S, and you can also duplicate it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.